Want to send disappearing messages on WhatsApp? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to send disappearing messages on WhatsApp. For this, launch open the WhatsApp on your device. Make sure that you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. To check, you can simply head over to Play Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here, search WhatsApp. Now, if you find an update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Now, once you open up WhatsApp, open any conversation where you want to send the disappearing message. Now, you want to tap on this icon. From here, you want to select either gallery or camera. Now, you want to select a photo or video that you want to send. Before you send it, tap on this icon. As you can see here, it says media set to view once. Now, tap on the send option. Now, this photo or video can only be viewed once. After the person views it, this message is going to disappear. View once messages gives you more privacy. So in this way, you can easily send disappearing messages on WhatsApp. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.